Everyone, today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create a separate virtual environment for our Django project. We create virtual environment so that we can use our modules in a separate environment without installing them to original Python path. This solves version dependency issues. So to create virtual environment, we have to first install it using pip install virtual env command. As I have already installed this command, so I don't need to run this command. But if you have not installed virtual environment, then you have to first use this command and install it in your Python path. So I have installed it. I will just create virtual virtual environment using my command. Suppose in my H drive Django tutorial directly I want to go Django project directory. In this directory I want to make my virtual environment with the folder name env. So the command is virtual env, and after virtual env my folder name is env. This will going to take some time. Now after installing virtual environment, we will see the directories created in this env folder. There are four directories include lib, scripts and tcl. After, when we run our project, we have to first activate our virtual environment. We can activate a virtual environment by going through this directory env scripts and then activate. Now whatever module we install after activating our virtual environment will be installed in the directory lib and then site packages in this path. Now we will install or create our Django project. Oh sorry. First we have to install Django module so that we can create and install our Django project and app. So we need to first activate our Django environment so that Django module will be installed in that environment only. To install Django module, we need to use command pip install Django. Before installing Django module, make sure that you are connected to internet. So Django version 3.0.3 is installed. After successfully installing Django, we can see that Django directory and some other directories are created in this side packages. Now we will create our first Django project command using this command on this path. So the command to create a Django project is in this Django project directory. I will create my Django project. So the command is Django. After Django admin create project, you can choose your folder name of your Django project. Suppose I am using here project. Run this command. Spelling for Django is wrong. Run this command. Sorry, start project is the command. See, our project is created in this command, in this directory. This manage.py file is our server file. This project has some files. First init.py file is a blank file which is used to treat this directory as a Django module. This asgi.py file is a server related file. wsgi file is also a server related file. urls.py file and settings.py file are the files related to database configuration, templates configurations, and routing for our project. We will come to this later. Now first we have to create our database. So for database we can use command python manage. First we have to come in this directory project. Now we can run python manage.py command to create a database. See db.sqlite3. This is a default SQLite browser of Django, which creates 10 to 12 tables by default, including sessions and Django users. Now inside this project directory we will create our Django app using the command Django admin start app. Suppose my app name is folder of my app is my app. See, my app is also created. Now we will going to learn about these files in next lecture. Thank you to watch my video.